I have this frame from the Dollar Tree. It's in the gold. I'm going to start by taking the back off, which was pretty easy to remove. And then I'm going to spray paint this in silver. I'm going to use my shortcuts. I'm going to set this aside to dry. Once dry, I have these little rose buds from the Dollar Tree. They came in pink and white. And I have these eucalyptus sprays that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I did grab these in the Christmas section. Everything is 50 to 70% off. And I'm going to take one of the sprays and I'm going to wrap it with some floor wire. It was the easiest way to attach it. And then I'm going to cut that stem off. Then I'm going to take a piece of another spray and I'm going to tuck it in, going in the opposite direction. I'm going to take one of the pink buds and glue it in the center of my spray. I had these two felt rosebuds. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to put them on either side and glue them down of the large bud. I have these stickers. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to go back to my frame and I'm going to take the word love and us and a small heart and stick it onto the back side of my frame, which would be the front side, but I'm putting that back on. And then I got this gingham checkered pink ribbon at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to create a small bow using some jute, tying it in the center. I'm going to glue this to the top of my frame. And then I'm going to grab a small heart from my sticker collection there and add it to the center of my bow. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkatofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkatofancy.com. Thank you so much.